Good evening, dear one and all present here. So I am Swam and today I am here with a new presentation. So today's my presentation topic is very mysterious. So my presentation topic is wait. First I will ask a riddle. So can you tell me the object in which the people, no, not people, only the girls sit in front of that object and see their face and do the makeup. Can you tell me that object? Yeah, that object is bigger. So now this is it's looking very silly topic. But now I will add some spices in this topic. Now if I said that today's topic is based on mirror world. So now it is getting more interesting. So mirror world, what is it? Mirror world is a type of a parallel universe that is created by our imagination. Or the beyond our Earth, beyond the galaxies, there is a universe. Its name is mirror world, or we can say it as parallel universe. Now let's talk about the mysteries of parallel universe. Now many people have seen that in the parallel universe, there the people think that ghost is in the mirror. Sometimes you can see that ghost. As you can see in the picture, here is a ghost in that mirror captured here. But this happens in the movies. But do you think that these things are real? Obviously not. It's not real. It is created by our imagination. Like in the mirror world, it can be possible that if we are walking on our legs, so that on the people in the mirror world, they can be walking on their heads. Like in the picture, you can see that this is our world and that is different world. So, like our world, our head is made of skin, but their head is made of many tiny atoms. This can also be possible. And in this picture, here is a person and he is wearing a different dress. But in the mirror, there is a person who is wearing the different dress. Means this can be the symptoms of ghost. But it is not possible. It is created by our imagination. So, but like this mirror world means the thing beyond the earth. So, means you have heard about intersecting lines. Intersecting lines are the lines that intersect at one point. So same like happens in the parallel universe. Like both the universe intersect at one point, and after that the gap increases. Like they intersect at one point means they have a two content same. Like both have a universe. Then the gap increases. Like I can tell you that people walk upon their head. The boats can be fly in the air. Aeroplanes can swim in water. This can also be possible. So if you are imagining these things, so it can become your imagination, but it can become an incident as your because your imagination can be get real. Like sometimes it happens that you are standing here and in the front of mirror you are thinking that someone is in the mirror. So this happens. This is a mirage type. Because if you are thinking about a particular thing, if you are thinking about a particular thing many times, so it can happen, it can become an incident in your life. Otherwise, if you are taking it very slowly, so it will remain your imagination. So now you can see that there is a person and there is another person, but that other person is not visible. Like I am visible to all. And maybe it can be possible that in the parallel universe, the people are invisible. This can be possible because that depends on our imagination. Now, have you heard about black hole? Yes. So black hole is a type of a structure in our galaxy that is formed when two planets burst with each other. Now, I would like to tell a story of one person whose name was Stephen Hawking. He was a very famous person. At the age of 90, he lost his mental health. He can't speak, and so he got paralyzed. The doctor told that he can be alive only for 2 years, but he have a hope in his mind that I can live my life very enjoyable. So now after that he has hope. So he lived his life till 87 years. Now he has written many books, and one of the important book is the Stephen Hawking Black Holes, the BBC Earth Lectures. This is very his very famous book that you also have to read. Means I am saying that I am giving you a suggestion that you can read this book because this book has the many twists, many mysterious things. If you will read this book and understand it with your heart, so you can come to know about your many mysterious things. You will come to know about the black holes and many other things. The Stephen Hawking was a person who has a hope in his heart. Otherwise, if he doesn't have the hope in his heart, so he can be died in 2 or 3 years. But he thinks that I will achieve something bigger in my life. So he have created a machine from which he can talk. That machine is connected to his brain, and that thing is speak like this so you can enjoy your life. Now this topic is getting very bored, so let's have a fun. You can see that. Can you tell me that how much time you sit in front of mirror? Yeah, you can tell. 2 minutes. So she's saying that I sit in the front of mirror for 2 minutes, but she is telling a lie. She is sitting in the front of mirror for 1 hour 2 minutes. Yeah, it's real, because if the girls are telling that I am sitting for this time period, means they are lessing that time period. So add the 1 hour in that time period, so that that real time period can become. Like, I would like to ask to Mohit Bhaiya, how much time do you sit in front of mirror?
20 seconds.
20 seconds. Only 20 seconds. So he is a real boy. He is telling the real, because some boys are there who sit in the front of mirror for seeing their hair. They are thinking that my hair should be groomed, I should be groomed, but they are not thinking about their clothes, that how their clothes are there. Their jeans is got tear from back and their t-shirt is tearing, but they want to see only their hairs, that my hair should look good. So this is a reality in the life, that is scientific reality. So now my topic has been over. So I would like to conclude my topic that mirror world is a type of a mirage or imagination that people have in their mind. If you will take it as imagination, so it will become imagination. But if you will think that it is real in life, so it can become the incident in your life. Like, you will be having a mirage that there is a person standing and he is a ghost. So this can happen. So thank you and have a nice day. I will be returning with a new presentation. Till that, be passionate, be confident, be inspired. Thank you. May I have your queries, please? Yes?
So, is it scientifically proven that mirror world is real or not?
See, mirror world is imagination. Like, it is created by the theory of humans. Like, this is a movie, its name is Mirror World, and it is created by the imagination of people. But according to scientifically, it is proven that there is a universe beyond our universe in which the life exists. This is a theory, like types of alien, we can say it as, for any creatures. Means it is proven that scientifically that the life exists in universe elsewhere. We don't know that it is, but it is proven, kind of. Any other queries, please?
Any other query?